Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to fit to one page. There are some options to fit into one page. First, you can change for the line spacing. You can sort the document and then go to paragraph and click these icons. Like I will set into one for line spacing and the document will be fit into one page. Another option, you also can use the margins. You can active the rule by using this tab view and then check for the rule. You can increase decrease the rule like this for the margin to fit your document in one page. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to fit to one page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.